Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about some topics of geometry which is really basic. First topic is point. What is a point? Point is a dot and exact location. And next is ray. What is a ray? A line with one end point. This is one end point and this diagram shows that this is a ray. And the next is line. What is a line? This is a line, a straight path that extends forever, in both direction. That straight path is called a line. And next is line segment. A part of line, any part of line that has two endpoints is called a line segment.